How does the grant work in beer lautering? Before the wort can be sent into the boil kettle, it is typically recirculated through this grain bed. This process serves to clarify the wort and further develop the grain bed. Wort moves from the mash tun's false bottom to the mash tun's true bottom. The true bottom typically has multiple, evenly spaced outlets that all feed into one central bottom pipe. This pipe then typically flows into a vessel known as the grant tank. The grant is simply a buffer vessel that allows the brewer to visually see lauter flow rate and wort clarity. Conveniently, wort samples can also be taken from the grant tank, while gravity can be used to get the wort from the mash tun to the grant. A centrifugal pump must be used to get it back to the top of the mash bed. This pump delivers wort through an external Vorlauf pipe to the top of the mash tun. Following desired clarity or a set time, the brewer switches from the sub-step of Vorlaufing to lautering. Wort flow is redirected from the Vorlauf loop to the boil kettle. The grant tank pump now sends the flow from the bottom of the mash tun to the bottom of the boil kettle, gradually filling it up.